What's up, guys? So today we're going to be talking about a check engine code that you can get with a TJ dealing with the Evap system. So I'm just going to show you a couple things that you can check to kind of narrow down what it could possibly be. So if you guys don't know how to do you don't necessarily need to go to like an auto parts store and get a code scanner. You can actually view all your codes on the TJ. It's got a built-in thing in the dash. So if you don't know how to do that, I'll leave a link in the description or a card for that video in case you guys want to see how to do that, and then it'll just tell you what codes your Jeep is has, and then you can look those up online. So if you have anything to do with the Evap system, this is going to be the video to show you guys what to look for. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to check is your gas cap. So a lot of the times if your gas cap isn't on, your check engine light will throw that code with the leak. Other times it'll actually be the gas cap itself. So if you have a bad gas cap or like an aftermarket one with a lock, sometimes those aren't the best for it. So the first thing I would do, undo the gas cap and then tighten it back up again. And then what you want to do is you're going to want to go to your battery and reset the battery on the Jeep. Just take the terminals off, let it sit for a while, put them back on, start it up, and obviously if your check engine light comes back on, obviously that it's possible that your gas cap's bad. So if that's the case, replace the gas cap, do the same thing, disconnect the battery, put the new gas cap on. Project 4Banger had a bad gas cap at about, I think it was 85,000 miles. So we replaced the gas cap with a Mopar one, and that fixed the Evap leak problem. So I'll show you guys under the hood here. All right, so for the earlier generation TJs, your Evap canister is going to be here. On the later versions, I believe it's somewhere in the rear somewhere. But you want to check all of these hoses and make sure there's no leaks in them or they're not cracked or anything like that, because that can also contribute to that check engine light. So just check all of these hoses, follow wherever they go, and just make sure there's no cracks or, they're unplugged or something goofy like that. Just make sure they're all nice and tidy. And then there is a line that goes to the fuel tank, so you'll want to check that one as well. A lot of the times it's just the gas cap. So I would start there. Obviously start at checking all the hoses, make sure all the hoses are good and that you're not, that none of them are cracked or corroded or anything like that. Then I would do your fuel cap, replace that, see if that works, and just kind of go from there. And then if you still can't figure it out, a lot of the times a lot of places will hook up like a fogging machine to all your lines, and they'll blow smoke through it all to see where there's a possible leak happening. So you could also have that done if these simple things don't fix it. So anyway, guys, hopefully this video helped you. Hopefully it was just your gas cap. That's kind of the best case scenario. If not, just check all the hoses like I said. And anyway, hopefully this video helps you guys out. If it did, please give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a bunch, guys. And we'll see you guys in the next video.